Pustahan tayo. Worried ka na namang tumaas ang sugar mo ngayong Pasko. Dapat sa business, ganyan ka din. Holidays na naman. Panahon na ang hirap-hirap mag-maintain ng sugar level, creatinine, SGPT kasi kabi-kabila yung kainan eh. Pag ngayon ka nag-decide mag-diet, you're missing out life. Pero pag di ka naman nag-control, delikado naman buhay mo. But that's exactly the point of monitoring these numbers, diba? Not to stop you from living life, but to take control of it. Kung monitored mo yung numbers mo, alam mo kung pwede ka pa ng isa pang cupcake or kota ka na dun sa nakain mong crispy pata. You're managing your health risks but still get to enjoy life's guilty pleasures in moderation. Ganyan din sa business. If you know your numbers, you take control of your direction. Hindi yung araw-araw na lang umaasa ka sa bahala na kung may benta ka today. And you get to invest on things that will help your business thrive and grow without worrying kung may pera ka pa ba bukas or wala na. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na